And where they stash. Look one of generation.
And then all your mamma won't go better on the Monica, on Manahino, and then I beg back away. And follow Bosuno. Bosuno. I take it easy. One amount of Zanuma, man, no see it. Omana Zana, Nezanoma, Emma. Omana Zana, Nezanoma, Emma. Okay, Nemata.
What are you going to see?
What you matter, if yet to my yakin. So, you get one question where I want to ask you. Good and fine. If you feel answer right, good. If you not see answer, it's still okay. It's not bad. This question where I want to answer you, so where Mama Ego come out for this social media between you and Mama Ego, tell me how many months when the Monica tell you the saga. Mama Yera, tell me. They see 3 weeks. They see 2 weeks. Because I was aware that if they didn't let me rest for my phone, wait till they beg for it. I was aware that Lady Monica no even Sagara. For the first time, when the matter they come out, not talk. Now when they call this one where they pay. Yeah, where Malatia Patitia, the Namania walk on me. Then no way. You know what they say they were? Yeah, Apatatia. What did they say they call me? When they a doctor say, in the sick one, sick like when they got Apatatia in little. No, you saw that I bet depression there. Because a doctor had it. Uno, not be when someone come, they cry. They come Mama Ego. Not be come and Monica come and say, this one, all they cry. So, if I say, Mama Ego, where go, I want to go them, where they go. They go where they go. But who get by any of them go? He's not finished what she told. He's not finished. Not even Mama Ego go, they cry.
The mouthpiece of Monica is talking. No, this trans, no.
Many men watching now. Yes, I'm here when you will see some kind of people. Sometimes, this person, you might put your man, this person just did, it's just that nice, it's okay. If I finish, not before anything, man, fit woman, fit man. You understand me? Mama Ego was not like that.
Swear to God.
What's the
nice one? I did go.
Mama Ego, don't swear if this thing are truth on a lie. As I think on the drug down. Now, if the Monica take up, Mommy, I greet you, Mama. I greet you, you are welcome. Now, let the Monica take up, say, I want to go bend ball. Only here, I know if I need a bend ball. Which every place that I posted in the book. Who's the Mommy? Because I got some post stamp for you. People also say, you are born like the wagon. They will charge you. Do not say, let the Monica give you money in your waist and then Sharon OKPAMEN. Do not say give you money. May you take to do. At the end of the day,
oh God,
you complete and come out from the shoulder. Now you fair sure to your word. My baby get born in the way they must be Saturday. Let the charge no go Saturday. My baby born in the way they must. We don't wait. Traditional man waiting. And we go. But when I get it, but when man want, what's it we are work. Oh, book a man I want. The charge no go Saturday, please. Over your number to call in, please. How can we do that? What recharge no go Saturday? Oh, but when man want.
Really awesome.
We're getting a tear ball. Don't get it off my head.
You want to
Sagara. You want to turn around. Muzia. I'm talking of your donation. And then I am Tony, and I'm here at the end of the day. A partition when This one, I'm your son. Mama. Golly. Tell Daddy to put number on my Facebook to pay it.
Mama, what is wrong? My car is inside.
With me, I block for you.
You're not the king. Well, Chichi is the king.
Ciao. Any stupid comment from Monica Poppy, I'll block now. You cannot sit down and watch. Get off this platform. Yeah. I don't play Dominion Rich. I agree to the food now, better start wire water. Now, good evening. As you sit down here to watch this video. Now, let's talk about Obo video. Majority of you now don't watch the video of Obo when they talk to Monica about the adulterous issue that has been on ground for years now. Now, first of all, I'll give out my take first for straight to Obo. You understand? So please guys, share this video. Let's talk about this issue amicably without no sentiments. You know, feel me so? Without no sentiment, without no hatred, let's heal it the way it is. I have in mind no amount of shots, amount of saga will stop anybody to talk about the issue. That's one thing where Dominion never know. Dominion, I want to advise you. I want to advise you. Your eye service is too much for Monica issue. You understand? People they will do pass you at the end. Tian grab your can. People they Monica platform, Monica fans, Monica lovers. We do high service pass you. What end it last? Now shame and disgrace. Dominion, be careful. You see this social media, if you want to sell on this social media, be on your own. Stop being stop being a slave to somebody that's a presenter like you. When I share this video, go give Dominion. Now I want advice as a sister. You see, you can love presenter from distance. You understand? If issue of the presenter who you love come on social media, don't be sentimental. Say it the way it is. Don't support this side, don't support this side. Talk on the way it is. Leave on for the rest for God. Inshallah. Now so it be. You see Enogie where you dey beat today. Enogie do pass you when Enogie was a puppy to Monica. You see Precious Meg. Precious Meg do pass you when Precious Meg was a puppy to Monica. You see Mama TV waiting for Canada. She do pass you when she was a puppy to Monica. You see Ukinebo of UK. Ukinebo do pass you when she was a puppy to Monica. You feel me so? You see Enogie, he do pass you even as now. She don't reduce her doings concerning Monica, her support concerning Monica. You see Vera Television, we must see the truth, but throw away. She do pass you when she was a puppy to Monica. Name it, and so on and so forth. Many of these puppies, these noisemakers, who were once a puppy to Monica, which Monica threw them off, and before they throw them off, they always they beat a head out of them before they throw away them. They were once a puppy to Monica. John Enogie Ibizugbe was once a puppy to Monica. So, brother, big sister, the one way they do today, we don't first see people like you pass for years. No be new thing. I don't now advice I give you if you want advice, if you want to take my advice, Sit back. Focus on your own. Stop being a puppy to a woman like you. You can be better than Monica in future. You start it gradually from now. When Monica started, they were just two, Monica and Lolo. When they split, she stood on her own. She did on her own. Up till today, she is still on her own. Now they force on herself, they go give Monica. Monica know the right letter. They invite now, come be my copy. You understand? Now they force on herself because now they look for followers of Monica, rather the lovers of Monica. If genuinely say Monica really love you, it take you as a fighter or a defender. At least once in a while, if you still make sure your name for your platform, say, go and follow Dominion Talk Show. Rather, appreciate you in one way or the other on social media, like Dominion Talk Show for fighting for me. God bless you. You don't understand? Just like sometimes you see, I take Essay as my goddaughter. I sometimes share a video steady when she did live. I have never go to Monica's page, see Monica sharing your page, sharing your video when you are live, or after your live stream, make it share your video for your page. It shows say Monica does not recognize you. Rather, you are not relevant to Monica. And that's the reason why she don't even recognize you. She don't care about you. So my sister, you are a married woman. You are not a slave to your own fellow woman. You are a married woman. You dey under man who they feed you for house. So have that respect for your husband and stop being a puppy to another woman outside. Not be insult. If you be my sister, now the thing I will tell you, now they tell you so. If you be my sister, they watch your video, the way they clap and they follow another woman. Listen, you see my case. They fought something on top of me because why they want to see how they want to bring me down because they know say I was fighting against adulterers. You understand? And who do that thing? Now the SBI did out of jealousy. She wants to separate me between me and my grandmother then. You understand? She used her own puppies too, who they feed under her, to break down news. You understand? But you see for Monica case, the person way do one with them, it's just like the way they talk to me and my go enemy will do one or two things. If now let's assume now me come they ask my go now say, God bring God you if we not really do one or two things. Now so Monica case be so. There's a big difference. You feel me so? That one side. Now, when it be say anybody talk to Monica, you go jump out. Whether true positive or negative, you go jump out. You want chest down. Auntie, hide your chest. Leave your chest for your husband and get him. You understand? No, they use your chest, they collect insult, they carry the go house. You be married when you pass your wife. Give that respect to your husband. You see the video what you do today now? You talk here, you talk here, you talk here. Only you want talk here, talk here. Only you want fight everybody that talk to Monica. You only you want fight you want fight from Victor. You want fight what do they call them? Rita. Any other person that talk about the issue of Obo, only you want fighter. And mind it, all these same people when they put man say you want fight. So no one when you go free fight for social media for saga. If they face you, now you go wrong. You understand? No one you go free fight. It don't make sense. Issue like this come. Everybody, only one person not fit just wrong the whole world. Not to be perfect for the whole world. Everybody for me that they talk about one thing. Only you want just preachers come out. You want fight everybody. No, this does not work that way. Who me blame now, Obo? You understand? Obo now blame. This issue of Obo and Monica, it is gone back. It don't pass. Now Dominion they talk to Dominion talk to now the advice. The issue of Monica and Obo, it don't pass. Obo should have let this thing slide. You understand? No, but this somebody say he want to talk about John Osagi. He bring Monica issue. You understand? It don't make sense. He bring Monica issue. Definitely Monica has enemies on social media where they badge on Monica day and night, which everybody know. You understand? So it does not warrant you, Dominion, to come big chest, come out, you want chest everybody saga. No. Who want talk? The one way Monica they bash people, you know they see her. You don't ever come advise Monica say, remove man for social battle like this. This thing don't pass. You don't ever come advise her. No. Now when your Monica on come, you carry chest come out. You want to talk. Now you talk pass. I don't know this kind of saga what they do, where you pick say People will come fear you. They don't come talk to Monica. Say because you be Monica pikin. You understand? Sister, deal with your husband with ass. Respect yourself. Make you enter. You're a married woman. I don't want to use this my mouth again to insult you. You get why? I don't want to use this my mouth because of your husband. I don't want to use my mouth to insult you. You understand? Based on saying me and your husband will not be quarrel again, and I don't want to use my mouth to insult you again for your life. You understand? That one you're doing one side. Now, to Obo do. If really say you be really Obo, Oga, not vessel, not be insult. I'm not going to insult you. So kind things where you talk for media. Now disgrace with the disgrace Obo. I will tell you. So kind things where you come over your mouth for media. Ross, you are a married man. You get where for us. And the funniest part, you are a traditionalist. How about medicine? Now you say you do. I see your updates. I go your page. I see the update where you do. What can they do for there? But the things where you talk for math, bros. I wonder people will they call you say help me do medicine or do this one for me, because you yourself they use math. They put sin against your spirituality. There are some things as a spiritual man you don't have to do, or rather you don't have to say. Even though you resist Monica, you must not say it on media. You think say as you come talk those things will come clap for you. Oh, boy, now man, you feel resist woman. Who did there when you resist Monica? For real, nobody did that when you resist Monica. This is what you always say. You talk out of mouth. If the thing is supple, if you not supple, we know that there. So Epa, I bet let that one sleep. That one not be waiting. You supposed to do a brag or something they cap style for media. You deal with marriage woman for his house. Person where you say he was once feeding you, you were squatting with them. I know they there as not talk on media. The thing happen, bass goes now, fight now, do this one. At the end of the day, everybody's spending your own side. But that's what going your way, this one going your way, you don't go your way. God has blessed you, you don't move on with your life. So let it be. And forget about Monica. Because the way they emphasize on this Monica issue is every time you come on media. Because the only way your name they go viral on media, because if let's say you say you're not the rain again for media, you go bring Monica issue. Then you go pop up again. Because me and the observer now. Because once you say nobody want to talk about you again, you hear the Monica issue. From there, they blow up the issue again. You pump up again, your name is little the rain or Garon be so. As a juju person or as a spiritual person, that kind of word, you're not supposed to come over your mouth. Now sing to you. If really say that man when marry Monica say na really na still spiritual person, you don't know say that word when you talk a live video, you unya yazoi. You don't know say tu when yazoi we mongo yebonigbe. Tu when yazeven we carry live video ni yeboko ni. Tu when unya you know where you talk. If na real Benin man now you marry, Papa, they go send people for us. Try out to my wife. You understand? It is bad. What's not good, not good. You be spiritual man and see what you they talk for live video. And you expect people when they are abroad, they believe on your spiritual things. No, don't use abomination. Finish abomination for Nigeria. Then they work again. For the last person where I finish, now so I'm the native daughter. You understand? Did you do the work? Now to carry juju. How many juju they could give me for this social media? Don't miss me this. Don't be somebody come for this social media say, if you go Nigeria, you go bring native daughter when never back for 2 years. Contest work for me. Where they did today? They did my backyard. I just did my drink. That word when talking, you know it's an abomination. It is bad. I don't care. If you like it, you don't concern me. It is bad. It is bad. Again, when they do things rich, you go remove hands. You don't bash this woman, At least by now, God don't bless you. Your wife when you marry, God bless all of you. Bless two of you now. You will let be. So they constitute quarrel, fight, social media again. It not be your name again. Say Frank, just love say you be Abiagege. No problem. You understand? The truth is, say, not really make sense. That's for Obo. Now, Oga, what be name? Lost the marriage. We. Oh God. I just see you bash come on today. They bring back your old madness on social media on this same issue of Obo and Monica. I just look at, I just laugh. Ewi, your story for this media, it was past Monica. If you forget, make I remember you. I'll be waiting patiently when you come and call the saga. Your story of you and your dirty wife, when you put for his house, the one way, not even you pay me pass. Who are they shame for? Now, Saul say. The person will be the shame for this social media. Now, Saul say. It doesn't really mean say because of the show where you do. Saul say, let me not get shame. Enogie, they talk about his stories. Enogie, you sit down. A woman when you pay bride price for a month and 2 weeks, open a mouth, they tell you for your crow eye. Say before you go to tell price, you go knock bola. You go knock bola. You not see anything do. The only thing when you talk say, Mama Nara is depressed. She's depressed. Mama Nara is depressed. I can't drag baby mana. I can't drag baby mana. I can't drag baby mana. Tell me, where for see you? Check. No way. Denmark. No one. This one. Italy. Portugal. You where you and your wife sit down. Rub your wife. Rub your wife with abomination. Swim your wife inside abomination to the highest level. The biggest shame and disgrace couples we have seen 2024. Now you and your wife. The biggest shame and disgrace couple we don't see for this 2024. Enogie, now you and your wife. Now you go still come out from media. Come they carry. No, I tell you, if we don't big, don't big. For that's not big pass you still a joke. I cannot still so low now. Come they mad the way you mad now. The way you mad now. Who you mad for? For views? For money? It shows say you don't still grow. I think say lost dream marriage. After lost dream marriage, you need to wise up. You need to be more matured. You need to grow. Right? But what your performance today shows say you were even backward. After your marriage, you guys go backward. It shows that the money when I borrow for marriage, never pay. You need to hustle hard, bro. Don't play. You understand? You come out, they do proper, your mind they run up and down. Bros, we decide to keep you quiet. Not me say we don't know where head or day for your marriage. For your mind and marriage, do matter what the full community do, put woman for your head. They gather money, go use gold, carry loans. It's okay with your husband, use gold, take carry loan for you to take do marriage. And you go see they come and they brag. Make shape no come. And you think we are fools, right? Don't play, bro. It's just that I think I quiet. You know me say I don't know where to flog you. Because everything when they talk is not rubbish. Not rubbish. You don't see anything we both talk. We do a good. We bad. Everything we both talk na good one. Nothing wrong with waiting on body talk. It shows say you don't get sense. Now let Mugu. When they clap and they follow you, they watch you. Because reasonable people will see you today, look so you are really stupid. Yes. A marriage, you know, it's okay now. You go to your alone. Mugwen where you marry where you pay your hoffu. Pay the musician, pay the MC. No way. Yadi ba you know, I want you whatever you. At the end of the day, and I to tackle where I feel no. To tell me we are going. You go no me the marriage way. And why you? And I will call a key on a live video, not by line, who wear it. Because I am one. I'm making a return, and I'm go. Mia, Naji wear it. Ewi, or for ho. Igamagi adere. No work be saved on social media. No work be or say problem on social media. Kayagba igyo wa weni. Social media le. Egenaya yori. Oh, yeah. Any social media. It's not the wrong. Bros, go first take care of your family first. Try to be a responsible man for once. Because if you don't know that when I was just rubbish. You're gonna borrow a marriage. Who pay for them? Man, why you gotta pay for that? Return a good dig. It's okay. I do my drink. I don't support anybody. When they will react. You understand? If you have too much, it be a man. If you have too much, it be a man. Woman understand the Oboni, Adeboye. Adeboye anywhere, nobody send down. You move. Adeboye has badged many people. You said, okay-ish. He comes at that okay-ish recently. You know, Vara. You know, Vara, nobody send down. Go in page, you'll see the saga where Adeboye they do. You know, Vara. You know, so if you touch Monica, you go Vara. If you want to talk to a person, if you want to do saga, okay, fine. This thing, you the people with all of us with close, I will know, okay, this is not true. The first time you say Monica, now so you romance her, now so you kiss the breast, now so you do this one, you as a native daughter, you first talk those things. Okay, fine. We come out because you don't beat Monica. We beat Monica for this video back and blue. Monica come out, he can't swear. Monica swear put. Wish I watched that video. You understand? Okay, fine. If you watch after that swear, Monica swear, I put the matter. I forget about the matter. I'm not talking about the matter again. About our boy again. Upon us, I beat Monica rich for this media. I don't talk about our boy again because boy. Okay, already it should be something we will focus on. If not because the girl, the PCC, I mean a PCC. It's not honest. It didn't come out with truth. It didn't come out with evidence. So I have to back up the case of PCC. You understand? Me, I know say the something that's coming. You can't tell before PCC. Then the PCC no make this one. We are at your body. Me gotta go again. You understand? Okay, why are you bringing Monica on? Because when we are going one, nobody will hear, nobody will analyze them. Nobody go analyze that video. But when they reach Monica case, then they bring her. Now, I know how many people they forward me on both video. I know how many people they call me, make I analyze on both video. Since when did they talk about genocide matter? How many of them send that to me, make I analyze genocide matter? Or both video where they make I analyze. It not reach 2 minutes where I both talk to Monica. The rest now genocide. But anybody want to analyze that video, now that Monica pass, now they bring view they come. Anybody want to analyze that above video now that 2 minutes of Monica, we're about to talk about Monica, say he resist Monica. Now be waiting people they emphasize on. Because now that one will bring views come. Because they hate Monica. You understand? Nobody wants to emphasize on the major facts, the major points where that guy talk about genocide. The major analysis where that guy analyze about genocide. Nobody wants to emphasize on that. How John take her back for hotel? How he take go PC the ass? Nobody want to analyze that particular spot. They always play that part way for talk say, now so you resist Monica. No, not be video that they do like that. Not be video. This is bias, hatred. I'm not into that my hatred. All of you know when they do live video for this social media, nobody will hate you. If you come to your own case, and you are right on your case, nobody start to oppress you because they hate you. I go stand here and talk about the way the thing be. I know hate Una. I know hate Monica. But if you want to analyze video, analyze the video, bring out the points where that person talk about. A reason in Monica Azere, he used Monica to give, for instance. He resist Monica. He resist Monica. Why be seen on that one? All of them are emphasize on that one. All of them emphasize on that particular spot. It don't make sense. Now, the funniest part of it all, what you can make me laugh now, this boy, Enogie, that boy don't get sense. He said J-Boy, they signed J-Boy since January. And now J-Boy score goals. That they make man. They never even pay him. They never even do this one. I don't look this boy. This boy don't really get sense. Thank God you be mother. You be father, me to see. You get children inside house. You're supposed to pray. May your children still make you, may they still make you proud. May your children make you proud in one way or the other. It must not be on that football. There are other things else where your children still do that will make you proud. Why you they jealous? Because your way of talking is absolutely jealousy. If you don't want to celebrate the boy, not celebrate them. At least thank God for your life. This is the person where we don't narrate justice for J-Boy, justice for J-Boy. Today, J-Boy don't become international footballer. They don't sign now. They don't sign now. You know what it takes for a club to sign you? You think it's not beans. You think it's not beans? For a club to sign you, even for Nigeria, anybody never sign you. Warri Wolf not going to sign you. Kano Caterpillar, they're not Caterpillar not sign you. Even Caterpillar, they're not sign you. Maybe they clear something the way the team be. Not because of hatred. You talk, go here, you talk. What you call concern J-Boy? Concern the video where you do a bomb matter. What you concern J-Boy? Concern a bomb matter. If not for hatred. Why you say, but we are doing one beso. A topic a content na create. Now just wait not make sense, wait not make sense. That post you go, everybody go there for you. It no make sense. You don't do your cook and boo, your community marriage confess. When the whole society donate money for you, at the end of the day, use gold, borrow money, it can turn to problem for media. If you see a demon for say your marriage, you will not say, Okio, he was calculating the money with the spirit. The marriage they call luxury marriage. Who called the marriage? You know, you tell the world which people come your marriage. Not be Aduro boys, Aduro girls. Who which better person apart from Steaming and Oduma? Apart from Steaming and Odumovia, Omo Egbe. Or Beramo Egbe Steaming. They want the money marriage you were. Elia Aduro. DJ Wisdom man, DJ Wisdom was sorting a marriage woman for say your party. Childless marriage, what you do? When DJ Wisdom the video like say they form a party. You don't see who tell you the truth. Woman no come away. And DJ Wisdom man, your own bestie, your guy man, your strong man. You want to fight marriage woman for your marriage. You don't watch the video. Don't you watch the video? We are moving. When you open the door, say, I see your marriage luxury. Okay, one luxury. Why not go luxury when you go feed that people? It must be luxury because you feed those less privileged, those hungry Aduro boys. When they never chop rice for how long? Now bread and tomatoes in the chop for camp. Bread and tomatoes. A marriage go away. On where I go there. Epa there. Destiny come there. And they ask you. When there go say, Destiny, Nenemi, and the freaky. As you use all of the churches, which of them come your party? Which of them come your party? Ukinebo, you London. Which of them come your party? Fools, you don't get sense. Are you where you get wowa? only you no get is one guy we tower. Him na you where you because I mean like bongunwe. E mo gie, e me no debe kene. Gie wo kan wa azu over. That's what people say about you. When you be in a garden where responsible people speak, they talk, they know the kind of presenter where they go sit down with, they discuss. They know the kind of presenter where they go deal with. I can't be there. And that's your number one. Because of one, no man okay, Baba, okay. Then one I got boy, everyone but I go, oh yeah, we like video. And that's you. Which is very bad. Then when you got a marriage, we want a marriage. A marriage didn't. The real marriage where a month and 2 weeks will not destroy. Oh, as I say, as a new you contest election, you not win, you not get the problem. But if you win, you not rule where you be serene. You win, you not rule where you be say don't come. Now there were day after marriage. Don't return you na aboru. Yes, sir. Ogun gbaze. Ati wo me jugbo. E no me really ajo what the most important thing. After marriage, what's the next thing now? You know where marriage is there. Ebe we ro saga. Udo yo ma agoma no. Data okay if your marriage was successful, your marriage is there. Ebe we can start the life video one. Because we are plus and minus. We are returning. Now you go yako. My oga, abe bros. Use your brain house. You let be the shit. Unyadu gas is there. You want to know him? Me we are ngaladian. E put us away. Amu ade life to the house saga. On the 20. You want come out on the 20? On the 20 for me. Me we put us away. Amu ade. Weke yori weke re. Ogo like yo wame o. We're planning marriage, Lord bless you. And I tell you one thing you don't understand. Everybody get the way to live in life. We're binary we're married binary and also nobody bless you already. Imagine go with live video. I just keep calm. They enjoy myself. I only reduce my saga in a mature way. Because I'm not a married man. I have to be a responsible man now. To my wife and to my children. You understand? When you go well tired. Oh, I'm gonna tell where I will be my guy. Now you're cup of tea be that one. A love in the morning me. Oh, one way you will be. I want anywhere. We are by one and more ago. What me by your worry, a more so. That's the difference between me and you. And you go pray, may God give you wisdom. May you know how to take responsibility as a father. What's your name blame you? Learn it from house. Or when no one see you on by fee, or what can we say? This is what not what we are brought up with. You understand? Where's the boy give me now? Not cooking 5 good children for my mother. And last boy, so you will see the difference. There's a big difference when we are handling more and when we are handling more. There's a very big difference. Also, we lost the marriage. In a marriage is not lost at the end of the day. Matter where you do where you tibo, who do you be lost money to fast. We are nyende or how you do lost the marriage. What lost before? Why did you lost the money for it? What do you do live with you? When I back again, I was even thinking as a lost dream married now. I got there. When you are talking, your wife will keep quiet. Your wife will not be talking. Your wife will be calm. But unfortunately, this is now when your wife was past. More than 5 minutes or higher go live video. Just the backyard, just the one corner. They insult. You just decrease the use. Knock it, I just imagine who be all this one. Who will really marry you? Knock it, they use pillow, the knock chair. In our Oyama Kwada, Odo Yeye, I'm a BB. 2 hours. Am I the beer? And I be whatever. I was okay with Bechumu. You back where do you feel it? Tonica Bulwa. On Masse, I had Nayanekwe. Ukba ya homona muria wa. Omoni ma koko wa. Ukba ya on. Even when you are angry, when you are not angry, it's all the same. No changes. A broken way. It's still the same thing. We lost the marriage. You are still the same person. You marry who, you are still the same person. Somebody ask you a question. Or we are say who? Your best friend, he say, where is Iyase? Enogie and Iyase. I'm here social media. What happens to Iyase? Or what Iyase we lost the marriage now? What happens to Iyase? Where is Iyase? Was Iyase your marriage? Yes or no? Ask the question and tell the whole world why Iyase was not your marriage. Who was your best man? I do my drink. I want you. There are more updates about you, and the whole world will hear very soon. Egbe akeso mu ko. Egbe akela lalo de carpet ya mu bie. Ogbani egbe oko enwon na mi enwo iwe ewi kaya do le gbo ile egbe oko de wa. Ukele lala bi do usaka. Kaya do lo wa ile. O wa mama akporo ugbo. A matter of bo, that's rubbish. Do I have a topic of it? Yeah, I'm a topic of it. I don't want because I can't say it before. It is not new. It has been said before. Times that number. Naketa. Makaya was saga. Makaya collecting on a Facebook. Facebook will pay your body ne. Pay. We don't use to cash shots. Blast Monica back and front. Not today. Camera matter we happen for between one. We don't use our shop money. It don't tea. No one live a fake life. We don't live. It's not my business. Monica live fake life. It don't live fake life. It don't concern me. The one with me and my wife have the live to JJ as our hand rich. Obele go small money. We are okay with it. When the man ready my cool way. We are feeling in how I'm not in competition with anybody. Have this in mind. It will not because of me. Yariosa. I know they see you. I'm unavailable. I'm unavailable. They know they see me. Bonasa. Either also bless you. Is between me, my wife, my family, and my lovely fans. If I choose to tell them. If I choose to announce it. So if I announce my success, nothing say I the user they prepare you. I know they prepare anybody. Now my life I just live they go be that one. Fake life too cost. I don't feel live on. This black soup and go they eat. I'm okay with it. Yet you are for me with a salad. We now we make a salad. Who loves you? Who man loves you? Obun weno. A certificate marriage na ari no we. We not lost you. Not become up in sky. Really me know where they wekela underground. Now the same thing. I feel a killer marriage, canopy marriage, whole marriage. You know the day marriage na marriage. Ube no go say, who do menwa ya deck you there. Irirewa, I don't go oti law. You understand? When no go say ya ko wa ya why we ho ya why we come marriage. Ibe man ya wetie na ya we gbebe go gbe. You understand? No go say no. It will be come do. It's my way. The highway be Roma. Can I no. In more of Roma when you work quite see about how marriage you. What talk be? Is it a post in Africa shop in Roma? No here when we member. I don't go boy. We no boss no. Simple, inshallah. Yeah, why our marriage why am ho. One room in the government moon wa why we are day after the marriage. Why you were gas send we are more 6,500. After the marriage, you still come back to 2-bedroom. The government moon wa you na you are a madman. You are a very madman. You are not a financial expert. You need to go and make gege, make it tissue. Maybe me go learn sense from gege. You're not a financial expert. How can you have 6,500? You want to go and use to carry one for just one day? You never reach one day for about 6 hours or 4 hours party. Then where you are living for good 5 years to 6 years, the whole even for a pastor. My brother, have to go use your brain. You know, boss, you rent house for Deutschland there. Your wife don't get documents. Now they leave. He give you a medal. From there, they continue your life. You remove your hand from government. Since you get money, if you carry her off 6,000, that's to show you really lost it. Me we do quick marriage. I not doing that government. I don't shop government money. My wife not shop government money. My wife they work. This house, you know how much they pay for this house? Where will they stay so? You know how much they pay for you. Don't talk of where they for that side for Roma. Why you boya tave? Ekita no ye gbeta fela pa. Oh how we? Why you boya tave? When you go last day what we lost the marriage. Who lost the marriage? Oh one will stay your lost year. Question mark. Oh one will stay or lost year. The dot yo or tiny way. Are you living a luxury life? You go do one day luxury marriage. For your entire life, you're living a poverty life. And you declare for yourself, Enogie of Deutschland. I know. Be a car. I'm a hammer there, wait on the work. See, I just give you, I know the saga you are, they give you sense. Maybe they pick sense from my word. Maybe use it for yourself. Make it one. Marriage now one day, don't do never finish. Or just day, on my phone and our phone. How far? What you don't achieve? After you're married, then what you buy? After marriage, you get driver's license. No. After marriage, you get motor. No. After marriage, you start school. No. You still who you are. You still come back to that same city room where you become a nuisance, where you make noise on a daily basis, and that's where you are still. Bros, go use brain. I can never jealous you, and I can never pray to be like anybody. You understand? Nothing say if they jealous, and they jealous you. No. Not the jealousy, my brother. Now your marriage you do. Your own marriage, now you do. You not concern me. Ogaria, Eva baby, Eva man time. A marriage you know how and now I boy. I'm a man. Here why cobble you wawa, I will not spoil your house. Or a kekene, it did on Nika my kite on my face of Villa look by your well. A marriage no how now here. Well, a marriage be a car. Do ya Samawe? We know why die one. Ya tell about we marriage. A marriage will have secrets. Why my secrets? And brother, go work on yourself. See all this, it gets a kind of saga. We say they make sense. If you do one, people will like. They go tell you, say yeah, they try. Wait, because they pick sense from what you talk. Not only the person with the saga, but for those who they really listen, you know, yeah, I'm one again because a lot of us they into this category. They don't know. Don't just always saga person alone. As they blast as the saga, the people when they watch you, when they share your video, then they pick sense from it. Now that will be the real genuine saga. Everyone go ask me, bro, to a saga where they have us in here. Let us saga who be out the because on the way down who when you young one being I don't think better dito but don't you art comedy who you first Jonah who wash who Sharon better because people they will go sit down and watch. Some people they office we will say dignity people they go sit down and want watch only a cool time they want see video me they take while with time as well in nonsense. Oh yeah, rubbish. Why you see? I don't have issue with any of you guys. When you are doing well, I begin to praise you and respect you. That's me for you. You understand? So if you bass boost, all this no making would I forget it, it won't make sense. No one say so. If you so, obo, when you're going to boy. I don't know your friend I go friend. Okwere, no that person wife. You're not supposed to talk all those stuff about body again. You Buna. Hello.
Hello, Daddy.
I greet you personally.
Daddy, good evening.
What
good evening. I greet the house.
Yes, greet you.
I greet the house. You say no get to luxury marriage. The money with the plan. In the picking not get bed for inside house. The picking they not get after the luxury marriage. What they say they claim say they do.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, picking see the slim ground. When you dey do marriage, your pikin not get bed. Who you dey oppress for social media?
Yeah.
You do marriage, your children not dey comfortable for inside house. Who you want call the Daddy, me I not call this one lost dream. I go do marriage, but at the end of the day, after the marriage, my children call the sleep grand. They call like, okay, if do me lost dream marriage. He ask me, they say they lost dream. They lost dream. Daddy, all this one now just when a small boy, 28 or 27, now it be. Like my husband, the doctor, he say, get the age where we reach now, you go to behave. You see, if you don't reach 30, you go to behave like mature. But for you, day now, you do nursery marriage, your children where they sleep, they are not comfortable. At the end of the day, my man will see pursue you. God don't they call now. Better they save money. Better you they save money. God don't they call. The period where my man they push you for outside. Now the period with this. So thank God said DJ Wisdom don't already get house. And if you not go hard you again. No more a try again. Which kind of luxury marriage and luxury marriage? Luxury marriage where they not do get money where they spread there. They don't go. Thank God. So welcome to Saga. You are welcome. We'll start the saga tomorrow.
Thank you very
much. Welcome.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
You know, so now true say your children not get bed when they sleep. Your children not get bed when they sleep. My brother, not shame for you. For me, if not true, I don't know. If not true, say your children not get bed when they sleep. Me, I tell you the info what you will do. Make I tell you what you will do. If you go feel remove shame for I do more. As it be honest with your fans. No the problem where they get, you do the lie. And you actually doubt person. Be honest with your fans. Video in your room where your children sleep. Let them know say, see the kind of bed where you want. This bed, this double bed day, it dey online. Go to Facebook Market, bro. Find double bed where you get step. It dey where children they like pink color, purple color. If you Facebook Live, Facebook Market Space. Go Facebook Market Space. You'll see this children's bed. If full and find one, sexy one. You understand? Second hand, second you. You'll see them there. Snap them, post them for your Facebook like this. Sit down for good 1 hour. Raise fund. Don't lie. The money where they sell for that online. Screenshot and put them for your Facebook. See what you go so for that other 1 hour. If you go run, now you go run the money where your fans go donate give you go run. Gonna get children. Guess they carry grease. Guess they carry grease. You go see both one of your fans will support because you they open. See very dark man. You see very dark man. It's one of the best NGO I ever see now. It never started because everything when they do now sincere. You know they hide that. If one other enter, 10 other enter, he go show and say yes, the money will enter. Somebody we don't have drag, you don't blast. Don't jazzy. Now bless him with 100 million. You know the reason why? Because it's everybody. But who with the cost? No, say yes with the truthful. Person with the cost. They don't even know who you be. But out of anger, you feel go misbehave. If you go cross line, but they know the kind of person where you be. That's one thing about everybody for this world we're supposed to know. Just be plain, be sincere. You go see say your children will get bed. They'll get double bed. People go buy and give you. People will raise money for you to go do marriage. They will fit buy for your children. But for you to be sincere, now be the problem. Because when money go call you, now not be the bed matter you go day again. That's how you can say your wife never wear shoe. You never go wash ear. You never brush teeth. You want to go fix eyelash. You want to go draw tattoo. Some things will not even make sense. When you get major problem for body, we're supposed to do with money. Now that time you want to say you want to go draw tattoo. At your age. That time you want to say you want to go join courts. Nigeria, where they use free, they join courts freely. You know if you join for Nigeria, you come abroad, because they use heavy money to join courts for abroad. That's how you love my brother. Go and work on yourself, make your children to live a good life. Those children are too beautiful to be sleeping on the ground. If not true to my knowledge, not did they not they talk with my knowledge. For real, if you look all of you now, I don't know one thing. One of Saga Monica, None of them Monica never beat. Yes. I will tell you guys the truth. This one goes to Dominion. Dominion. You see people with the Saga Monica, where the carry chest for front so. See, Sagano. None of them go fit beat Monica for Saga. The one we did for FBO, Kokobiri, that one. Monica and I frustrate life to that extent with this one. The way you're doing now. We don't turn to doctor, turn to lawyer, turn to barrister. Not see we never turn himself to. Only one. You understand? So, how do you know why? Na the Enogie. The was Enogie. Only one go. Only the day Monica go answer now. You know how you feel that you. You know so we don't see all of this media. My sister, I want advice me why I go down can I be. No Atiti we tie. We going to drag this one, one carry enemy because of Monica. The same thing I hear do. If you are dévié que le et non il vient dévié que Monica non. You know Monica at the end you are going a dévié que le qui no. One of the most useless women for this man Monica. Who were binana o mo gweru wa guna for the man yare no mo. No if you okay error. So my sister do wa bina ne boy. Imagine when I support Monica, but use maturity. Don't be too open to the world. Hey, like I want to see the truth. A very the Monica at the end of the day, oh can't hear me. At the end of the day, oh can't hear me. Don't be too when I get precious meg. When the precious meg yam Monica young GPC man we have a GPC man we have at the end of the day, oh can't hear me. Dominion, you are a married woman, go inside and meet your husband. All this your guag. Stop her. Nobody they fear your shadow. They respect you because you married woman. You understand? Go and meet your husband. We are moving go. You stop all this your fight with the fight. All this your eye service. You know moving the phone. Go and meet your husband. Make get inside. If I need been asked for where social media, Monica view bonnie or bring up Buzian, you're la. Now you want to be sent. Oh, yeah, so we'll be born. One of you do something. So, sister, I like the better. I mean, wife, what dinner, no matter can't use your brain. Use a brain where my guy. No level. Then Monica do nobody fear them. You understand? Nobody fear Monica. So use your brain. Not going to fool yourself because of Monica onto the puppy. I don't tell Monica puppy. If I anyway puppy Monica, what is the end of Agbijin 2017 audio, 7 years audio, I baby life, you know. 7 years audio, Monica. So that